Announcing the arrival.
Ikaw ang pangulo para sa akaw na tapo. Madilim na kahapon, ahon sa piling mo. Tayo na Pilipinas sa pag-asenso. Ikaw at ako, tayong lahat Duterte, para sa tunay na pagbabago. Alamak, mga krimen mapigilan sa pag-asenso. Ikaw at ako, tayong lahat kayo.
Isa Cojuangco Suntay of Tarlac Heritage Foundation, Mr. Tony Cortez of Corville Agricom Incorporated, gain knowledge on the nutritional value of assorted vegetables. Those engaged in farming and microfinancing as he pour funds into these groups.
Doc, please sit down. Okay, thank you. Sorry. Dr. Aisa Suntay, that is my nature. You know, that is why it has resisted fiercely. Went back to Spain and the American soldiers. Yung mga Bisaya, because Cebu, Bohol, and except for a few plateau there that they can, dito sa, wala kasi ang lupa, kasi ang ancestry nila, wala. Kaya lang, nababara dyan sa, kaya I ordered when I became president, I like simple programs with simplicity dito. And I'd like to commend this government. Maraming salamat po.